Hi guys, welcome to ZMinds. In this video, I will show you how to create a serial number that is automatically generated when you add items in a subform. We will also see how to rearrange the serial numbers automatically when any item is selected. Let's get started. First, we need to create a serial number field. I am selecting the invoice item subform and opening the form builders. Now I will drag and drop a number field and set the column name as serial number. Once that's done, I will save the form and open the invoice form. As you can see, the serial number field is now added to the invoice subform item list. Our first requirement is simple. When we click Add New, the serial number should be generated automatically in sequence. To achieve this, let's go to Workflows. I will create a workflow on the invoice form. Here, I will select addition of row and choose the subform name. Now, I will create the workflow. The logic is to get the total count of rows in the subform and assign that value to the current row serial number. So, we set the serial number as the subform row count. This will always return the correct sequence number. Let's save the workflow and test it. Now, when I add a new row, you can see the serial number is automatically generated. Next, let's handle our second requirement. When we remove any row, the serial number should be reordered automatically. For this, we will go back to Workflows. This time, I will create a workflow on row deletion because the action should trigger when a row is deleted. The idea here is simple. Whenever a row is deleted, we rearrange the serial numbers for all remaining rows. I will use a for each loop on the invoice subform items. First, I will create a counter variable and initialize it to 0. Now, I will loop through each row and skip the deleted row. For every remaining row, I will increment the counter and update the serial number field with the new value. This way, all rows are renumbered in the correct order. Let's save the workflow and test it. Now, when I add a new row, the serial number is added automatically. And when I delete any item, the serial numbers rearrange instantly. That's it for this video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to ZMinds for more tutorials.